When the going gets tough, the tough always get going. Hi, and welcome to the Law Simplified, the world's largest independent online law school platform. I'm your instructor, Shaveen Bandardanayaka. Resistance is a good thing. What do I mean by this? Oftentimes, a complaint, let's say, that I receive from my fast track and masterclass students, as well as some of you who are subscribers of this YouTube channel, as well as the students that are enrolled in the comprehensive online law school platform, is how frustrating it is to put pen to paper in writing a response to questions in law. If you like the type of content that I make on this very YouTube channel, as well as the different platforms the Law Simplified is disseminated on, do subscribe to the Law Simplified. Leave a comment below of what other types of videos you'd like to see from this channel and the type of content that I provide in terms of your academic and professional legal career prospects. I would highly recommend having a look at the comprehensive online law school platform, complete with theory, tutorial, and workshop lessons based on the actual one-on-ones that I've conducted with first class and second upper law students from all around the world. The common denominator between students, irrespective of the jurisdiction, is how frustrated they get when they can't put down on paper what they've learned. Essentially, the inability to apply the knowledge to a given set of facts, be it a fact pattern scenario or even an essay question at that. What I do see quite often is how if I've given a task to a student to prepare an answer script for a sample question, they'll take days, sometimes even weeks, without returning the said answer script, primarily because they've either stopped halfway, started rewriting it, or started adding chunks to it over time, until at some point, yes, it's a complete response, but rather than doing it in the allotted 1 hour or 1.5 hours from an examination context, they've essentially used weeks, or worse still, months. What's bad about this is you have not let yourself feel the resistance that is there in terms of preparing for an examination. What do I mean by this? One of the fundamental attributes of a timed examination is the ability for you to articulate your ideas within the restriction or the limitation of time. The reason why that restriction or the reason why that limitation is there is for you to optimize your response and to only talk about that which is absolutely necessary. It is in itself a test, time management. So, if you disregard that and you start writing a complete response, having your focus be the fact that you need to complete the response as opposed to completing the response within the time allotted, you're missing the point altogether. So, remember, resistance is something that you need to embrace. It is part and parcel of your preparation. Don't think of examination questions as something to complete. Think of it as something to complete within the allotted period of time. That being said, until the next time that we speak, have fun, stay safe, and as always, obey the law.